And I'm disassembling it. Sorry about the sun. I'm disassembling it so it can be reworked and overhauled. There's several aspects of it that are kind of in various stages of stress damage with potential failures. So I just wanted to show you something that just happened. So here we go. There is the bowsprit of the boat, and you can see the bobstay comes down here, and it's a straight shot. And so you can see again, the bobstay is coming up here, and this bolt right here I wanted to remove so I can take this entire cap assembly off, which has the anchor roller. And then right up here is where my my head stay attaches. So this is a very critical high stress point. This wooden bowsprit is not that long. What you're looking at here is probably 15 inches in length, but you can see where this blade has worked quite a bit, and it started slicing into the wood. This is all teak, and so I want to disassemble the whole thing, redo it. I'm not excited about the gap right here either, and so I'm gonna remove it, finish the deck underneath it, bolt it back down, and that will should correct all of this, and then reattach this. So in removing this, sorry, I just put my sunglasses in my mouth. So in removing this bolt, I grabbed onto this nut, and look at that, corroded, and it literally sheared right off. All I was trying to do was turn the bolt around to get the cotter pin off, and that's what we got. Hardly any force on it at all. So this isn't the first type of stainless steel bolt, nut, or corrosion failure I've seen, but this is pretty severe. This is about as critical of a point on this boat as you can get. If this were to fail, the head stay would just pull all this up, rip this right off of probably the sprit right off the boat, cause serious damage. So yeah, I just want to show that to you. So now I'm gonna go about trying to spin that bolt off. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now without hurting myself. It must be metric. Nope, that thing seized on there hard. Gonna take some heat and some PB blaster to loosen that up. But all right, so this is a continuation of me removing the bowsprit, and so the anchor pulpit, and so I couldn't get that rusted off stainless bolt out, and decided to take this one out instead, bring it all to the ground, and disassemble it there. So yippee yippee, here we go. I'm gonna put this back up.
heavy piece of metal. This is so fun.
Alright, so now I get to go. Oh, here's the bottom. And there it is. You can see this side looks reasonably good, but this side, we would have never known from the outside, looking at that nut or anything, that it was so corroded through. I mean, all the way to all the way to the inside. I mean, that's just jagged. Felt like it would just cut my skin. So you got all this orange, which is a sign, but that was it.